Hello students, we are discuss about the number work. Today's topic is expanded form of a number. The number is shown according to the place value of its digit. There is a one example 2385. By using the place value of each digit we can find the expanded form of a given number. 5 place value is 5, 8 is 80, 3 is 300 and 2 is 2000. By adding these all place values we get the expanded form of given number, and that number is 2385. The expanded form of a number is given. Write a number. There is a one example 8 lakh plus 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 8. Add these all values we get 8,75,258. Next point is ascending order. See here, there is a one picture. This picture shows that the coins are is in increasing order. Next picture shows that man walk upside of the step means they are increasing order of the steps. By using these pictures we can say that the numbers are arranged smallest to biggest number. Those numbers are said to be ascending order. For example, arrange the numbers in ascending order from 5 to 11 means we write this number 5 to 11 in ascending order. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. These numbers are arranged from smallest to the largest number. See here another example. Write the numbers in ascending order 22 to 26. 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. Means numbers are arranged smallest to biggest number. Next point is descending order. There is a one picture. It shows the man see downside of the steps means these are in decreasing order. By using the picture we can say that the numbers are arranged biggest to smallest number are said to be descending order. For example, arrange the numbers in descending order from 20 to 23 to 17. We write 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18 and 17. Means the numbers are arranged from the largest to the smallest number. There is a one example. Write the numbers in descending order 25 to 21. These numbers are arranged in decreasing order. Means we write 25, 24, 23, 22 and 21. Next point is rules for rounding. Here is a general rule for rounding. First, if the number you are rounding is followed by 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, round the number is up. Example 38 rounded to the nearest 10 is 40. Second, if the number you are rounding is followed by 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, round the number down. For example 33 rounded to the nearest 10 is 30. बघा, ज्या वेळेला दिलेला नंबरचा युनिट प्लेसचा डिजिट 5, 6, 7, 8 और 9 मीन्स ग्रेटर दॅन और इक्वल टू 5 असेल तर नियरेस्ट 10 हा कुठला घ्यायचा असतो, त्याच्या जवळपासचा घ्यायचा असतो. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 1. 8 इज कंपेअर विथ 5. 8 is greater than 5. Nearest 10 for 38 is 40. In another example 33 rounded to the nearest 10. 3 is less than 5. Then we write nearest 10 for 33 is 30. By finding the nearest 10, first we compare unit digit to 5. Either it is greater, then we select greatest number nearest to tens, or unit place digit is less than 5, then we select smallest number near to tens. This is the rule for rounding up nearest to 10. Similarly, we can find rounded 100, rounded to 1000 also. What are you rounding to? When rounding a number, you first need to ask, what are you rounding it to? Numbers can be rounded to the nearest 10, the nearest 100, the nearest 1000 and so on. Consider the number 4827. 4827 rounded to the nearest 10. Compare last digit means unit digit to 5. 7 is greater than 5 means nearest 10 is 30. Means 4827 rounded to the nearest 10 is 4830. Similarly, we can find nearest 100. 4827 rounded to the nearest 100 is 4800. Similarly, we can find 4827 rounded to the nearest 1000 is 5000. Simple step for finding rounding numbers. Number 1. Rounding to nearest 10. There are 3 steps to finding rounding to nearest 10. Step 1. Find between which two tens the number lies. Second step. Find the halfway number. Third step. Place the number you have to round correctly on the number line. By using these 3 steps, similarly, we can find round to nearest 100 and round to nearest 1000 also. Next, Indian numerical system. In Indian numerical system, the first 3 digits from the right makes ones or the unit period, the next 2 makes thousands period, and the next 2 make lakhs period, and the next 2 make crore period. We write the numeral by leaving some space or by putting a comma between each period. The place value gives depending on its place in the number. In that given example, 38 crore 24 lakh 5765. This is a Indian numerical system reading notation. In that given image shows that the Indian system figures 1 digit number, 2 digit number, 3 digit number and up to 10 digit number. 1 digit number is said to be unit and value is 1. Tens position 10, 100, 1000 up to Arab. Arab is a 10 digit number. By using this value, we can say that 1 is the smallest 1 digit number. 10 is the smallest 2 digit number. Similarly, Arab is the smallest 10 digit number. Before image shows that the smallest Indian system digit. This image shows that the largest value of Indian system from 1 to 9 digit number. Next point is international place value chart. In the given image shows one example which is denoted as the international numerical system. The first 3 digits from the right make ones or the unit period. Similarly as the Indian system also. The next 3 make thousands period. The next 3 makes millions period. The next 3 makes billions period. The given number shows the writing of a numeral in standard form and expanded form of the number is read as in international numerical system is 123,456,789. In this image shows the place value of Indian system and international system with their periods. In the given table, we can differentiate Indian numerical and international numerical. These are some important values related to the Indian numerical system and international numerical system. Always remember for these all values.